The remains of the 17 Nigerian army killed in Delta State has been laid to rest with military guard of honor at National Military Cemetery in Abuja.
Correspondingly and intriguingly, my men know that when I send them out, despite the equipment, training, and other forms of preparation, sometimes some may not make it back alive, while some may return handicapped and invalid. Ours is a profession that deals with matters of life and death. When soldiers die in the hands of the enemies of the state, we take it as dying for what the nation has considered a just cause.